Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about rosehip seed oil, how it works on your skin, how to use it and when to use it. And also I'm going to talk about minimalist rosehip seed oil plus 3% vitamin C. So if you're interested, so keep on watching. So firstly we should know what is rosehip oil. So the rosehip oil is derived from Rosa candida rose bush and it comes from the seed of rosehip fruits. So it's very different from rose oil, and the rose oil is extracted from the rose petals. So it also contains essential fatty acids such as oleic acid, linoleic acid and linolenic acid. So it creates a strong skin barrier. If you watched my previous video, a CeraVe moisturizer, as I said, 3 ingredients are very important to create a strong skin barrier. That is fatty acids, second is cholesterol and the third is ceramides. So the unsaturated fatty acid, that is linolenic acid and linoleic acid, these are very important to create a strong skin barrier. So why rosehip seed oil is very important for your skin, means how it works on your skin. So it has vitamin F, means linoleic acid and linolenic acid, which is reduce the thyroid activities. जिसका रीजन होता है hyperpigmentation and the pigmentation inflammation. So inflammation को reduce करता है rosehip seed oil because it has vitamin F. So it also has hydrating, moisturizing and natural exfoliating properties, and it also contains vitamin A and the vitamin C. And the guys, you know vitamin A, it's tretinoin, means retinoids, but it has a natural tretinoin. So which is very helpful for the fine line and the wrinkles, means it has anti-aging properties. So it also has vitamin C, means antioxidant properties, so which protect your skin from free radical damage as well. So now let's talk about minimalist rosehip seed oil plus 3% vitamin C, ascorbyl tetrazopalmitate. So ascorbyl tetrazopalmitate is a derivative of vitamin C and it's a very stable form of vitamin C, plus it's oil soluble, means it penetrates into a deeper layer of the skin. So some people are allergic with the vitamin C, especially of water soluble, so might be it works on your skin. So basically I'm not a researcher and a scientist, but according to me they shouldn't add vitamin C because some of you might be allergic with the vitamin C, so of course you can't use this rosehip oil, and might be it works on you because it's a oil soluble, but everyone has different skin. So now who can be using this rosehip seed oil? So basically this is suitable for all skin type. If you have dry skin, normal skin, acne prone skin, oil skin. So if you have acne prone skin, either if you have acne, so don't worry about it because it's non-comedogenic. So now let's talk about the stability of the oils. So जो फेशियल ऑयल की स्टेबिलिटी होती है, जो उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ होती है, 3 और 4 मंथ्स के बाद जो उसका इफेक्ट है वो कम होता जाता है. सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, अगर आप कोई भी ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको कंटिन्यू यूज़ करो क्योंकि उसका जो इफेक्ट है 3 और 4 मंथ्स के बाद काफ़ी कम होता जाएगा. So the last is how to use it. So according to minimalist, this is the last step, means after moisturizer you should use rosehip oil, but according to me you should use your own technique, means आपको कोई भी टेक्निक सूट कर सकती है, that is totally up to you. So try both technique, means सबसे पहले you should apply the moisturizer, then oil, then second is first is oil, then apply moisturizer. So everyone has different skin, so I would say if you are using this oil, so try both technique. You never know आपको कौन सी टेक्निक सूट कर रही है. So guys, you should try both technique and let me know in comment section below कि आपको कौन सा बेस्ट मेथड लगा है, कौन से बेस्ट रिजल्ट मिले हैं after using this technique. But according to me, the best method is use oil then moisturizer to lock your moisturizer into your skin. So better to use oil then moisturizer. but you can try both technique because this is debatable कि which is the best method. So आपको किसी से अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं, लेट मी नो इन कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, जिससे दूसरों की हेल्प हो कि कौन सा बेस्ट वे है ऑयल प्लस मॉइस्चराइजर को यूज करने का. So here is the video end, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in next. Bye bye.